All right, folks, we're going to talk about a few projects we've got going on. I'm going to we'll show you a few things that I'm working on, and then throughout this week, I'm going to do update videos and just kind of compile everything together. I'm going to do one video to show you what I've got going on this week, and then there'll be a bunch of individual videos to show you the progress of each one of those projects. The first project that I've got is I'm working on this custom sod buster for my wife. It's got the gray and greenish color uh, mammoth tooth. Gonna have those handles. And it's coming along really good right now. And it's gonna have American flag shield on it. And then I'm working on this axe handle. And this is also mammoth tooth. And of course you can see it's green. And it's real close to being done. The most of the shaping and everything is done on the handle. We'll still have to put the badge on and then do the final shining and cleaning up of it. Oh, and then I've got several. I actually have 3 of these cheetahs that I'm working on. It's going to have abalone handles. These are cheetah cubs. Oh, so I've got to fit up uh, 3 of these, 3 cheetah cubs, and then this medium stockman going to also get abalone. That's what's on the table this week as far as work goes. And then I've got a few cleanup projects too. I've got this old case, uh, Barlow, and the thing about this case, I don't know if you'll be able to see it in there or not, but the tang stamp looks like it got punched twice on there. Oh, and I haven't even looked up the year on it to see what it is, but it's a good knife. It's got plenty of walk and talk to it. Oh, and it don't need a whole lot of cleanup. The reason it's on the table this week, should be a quick job. Oh, but this is one that I've got. If you remember the video, that our good friend, she gave me the box of knives. That was her husband's. Oh, and a lot of the knives is in rough shape, and so I've only done one knife out of that, and of course you've probably seen the video on that too. That was the cheetah that I cleaned up and give to my wife. Oh, this is gonna be mine, and then I've got this pretty bone canoe that I'm working on. Now whenever I start these cleanups on these, I will do a more up close video and show you the actual damage and stuff that's on these knives and what we're going to try to clean up and make it look better. But this is a pretty bone canoe. And then I've got a pretty special project here. One of the guys that works with me brought this to me actually last night, Saturday night at work. And it's an old timer, fixed blade. And this was his dad's knife, and he found this, I think he said, in the bottom of a toolbox or tackle box or something. Oh, but you can see the sheath is actually not in bad shape. It just needs a good cleaning and oiling and all that. Possibly might have to put a new snap on it. I'm not real sure just yet on that. But the knife itself is pretty bad. Oh, it has been in the weather or gotten wet and moist and probably been in that sheath for no telling how many years. And I have scraped off some. You'll see right there on the blade, I've scraped off some, and it's got some pitting on it. I don't think we'll be able to get all that out. But I think we can get a lot of it out. and we can definitely give the knife a second chance. It means a lot to him because it was his dad's, and it means a lot to me because it means a lot to him, and he trusts me with it, and that says a lot, folks. If you do work like this, and somebody brings you a special knife that means the world to them, and they trust you to fix it and clean it up, well, that means a lot. So anyway, that's the projects I got going on this week. Uh, this video here will come out first, kind of give you an update on where I'm at in the shop. And I know I haven't got to do a lot of videos, cleanup videos or how-to videos, but I'm going to change that. We're going to try to step it up. I've also got a few projects that's coming up that's going to be stone handle knives. I'm going to show you the process that I go through on a lot of that. So I hope y'all enjoy this video. Now let me know what you think about the projects I got going on. If you got any tips uh, or anything like that, well, hit that microphone. I hope this thing is working. This is a new thing and I'm trying so I can be a little further away from the camera and you can still hear me. So, but anyway, let's quit rambling. Projects I got going on, let me know what you think about them. If you got any advice on directions to go with them, let me know. Give me your thoughts, your comments. I appreciate y'all. Appreciate y'all watching the videos and commenting on the videos. Subscribing to the channel. If you haven't subscribed to the channel and you're watching this, hit that subscribe button. Let's keep it growing. I think I just went over 6,000 subscribers, which is awesome. I mean, it's just it just floors me at how the channel has grown. So, anyway, thank y'all so much for being here. Hope you enjoy the video. Love y'all. God bless.